The big question, will Nifty's bullish traders have to brace for another drop? Our call of the day suggests an up and down session is quite likely. Blame the hesitation on 1. Rupee hits record low at 89.9475 against the US dollar as outflows, trade limbo keeps bearish bias intact. 2. GST collection rises at slower pace of 0.7% to 1.70 lakh rupees CR in November. 3. Foreign institutional investors remain on the selling side of the trade, adding pressure to market sentiment despite strong domestic fundamentals. A. This week, in two trading sessions, FIIs have already sold worth 4,814 crores rupees worth of equities. B. In the past week, total FII selling stood at 6,443 crore rupees. C. For November 2025 alone, FIIs have offloaded close to 17,500 crore rupees. D. Year-to-date, YTD, cumulative FII net selling now stands at a substantial 1,32,469 crore rupees. 4. Pressure on banking stocks. The Nifty Private Bank Index fell 0.68% in Tuesday's trade as key constituents like HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank reacted to index weight recalibration. Context. Please note, SEBI has directed NSE to reduce concentration risk in index-heavy futures baskets like Nifty Bank. Under the new structure, the top three stocks will be capped at 19%, 14% and 10% respectively, triggering portfolio rebalancing lit selling. Long story short, overbought conditions plus no new triggers is equal to bears back in action. Market trends. The global cues are neutral. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of rupees 3,642 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of rupees 4,646 crores. Risky Nifty's sentiment is likely to prevail. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals suggest massive consolidation amidst overbought technicals. F&O December month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,500 and 26,700 zone. India VIX, the fear index has dropped near 11.23 levels. At last check, USD INR, December, was trading near the 90.10 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th December, is at 1.16 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th December, is at 0.99. Nifty outlook, domestic liquidity and upbeat sentiment continue to anchor the bull case. However, whether this rally extends or pauses will largely depend on two variables, global risk appetite and FII behavior. Their stance will determine if momentum strengthens or slips into consolidation. Leadership shakeup at Bank Nifty could also dent sentiments. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 26,032. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 25,951 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 26,327 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,900 and 26,200. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 85,138. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 84,750 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 86,160 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 84,600 and 85,600. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 59,274. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 58,900 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 60,100 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 58,700 and 59,700. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. Tuesday marked weekly expiry for Nifty and the benchmark came under heavy profit booking as participants chose to book gains after the recent run-up. The market breadth, 1238, was clearly in favor of the bears. IMD flags a harsher than usual winter for December. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Vodafone Idea climbs 2.42% on other relief optimism. Vodafone Idea shares rallied after Union Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia indicated that the government may finalize its Sagar relief framework by end 2025. 2. The stock has seen a sharp turnaround, rising over 81% in 3 months from its 52-week low of 6 rupees and 12 paise in August to a recent high of 11 rupees and 8 paise in November. 3. Spark hit upper circuit on favorable U.S. court ruling. Sun Pharma Advanced Research Company surged 20% to 161 rupees and 2 paise after AU.S. District Court granted a favorable summary judgment related to its Sezaby Priority Review Voucher, PRV, boosting investor sentiment. 4. Reliance Industries slips on legal setback. Reliance Industries fell 1.14% after reports indicated that the Supreme Court dismissed its appeal against the Securities Appellate Tribunal's ruling. The SAT had earlier upheld a 30 lakh rupees penalty imposed for non-disclosure regarding the Jio Facebook agreement, as reported by Bar and Bench. 5. Bajaj Housing Finance drops after block deal. Bajaj Housing Finance dropped 7.02% to 97 rupees and 15 paise after a large block deal in early trade. The shares were reportedly exchanged at around 95 rupees, a 9.08% discount to the previous close. The transaction is linked to the promoter, Bajaj Finance, likely selling about 2% stake to meet minimum public shareholding norms. Bajaj Finance, which currently owns 88.70%, plans to sell up to 16.66 crore shares between 2 December 2025 and 28 February 2026.